Wow, people think some pretty crazy things when it comes to a chiropractic adjustment. So let's just get it straight. Adjustments are performed by using your hands or a nice little tool like this guy. And basically what we're doing is just realigning the spine. By realigning the spine, we're allowing your brain to properly communicate to the rest of your nervous system. When your brain is able to communicate with the nervous system, there are less problems going on in our body. Things like chronic pain, headaches, tension, hard time going to sleep, all of these things start getting better and we start functioning better. So if you want to learn more about a chiropractic adjustment, click below.